I'm Kristen Boyles. I work at Laramie County Abstract and Title. I am often asked, why did I want to move to Cheyenne? And I always give the same answer. It's the people, why I love living here. The people are so friendly. I've made some really, really good friends in a short period of time that I've lived here. The community is so friendly, so giving. I'm involved in Thankful Thursday, and it just amazes me every week, the generosity of all the people here in Cheyenne. I love, the business communities. I love the events that happen during Frontier Days. Seeing all the people that come to town and how the locals receive them, and that's just part of why I love living in Cheyenne.